How everybody out there doing? I'm introducing the Nucleus Abdomen Machine, the proper way to use it, rights and wrongs, do's and don'ts, all right? Let's go, y'all. So first thing first, you want to always make sure your seat is level in the right spot, correct spot. Mine is a 5. That's my good level. So once you get to that 5 mark, what you want to do is always tuck your feet behind this pad. Place the elbows right here. Nice good grab, and you just bend with the core. Just like that. You know, depending on your level, your height, where you want to be, you want to make sure that you can feel it in the core. That's where you want to feel it at. If it doesn't feel right, stop. It's okay. Don't. It's okay. You do not want to be up this high. This is not right. It won't even hit you in the right spot. You see that? I'm up too high. It's not even hitting in the core. You don't want to be up that high. That's extremely too high. You want it low. You want to feel it in the core. Always remember that. The mind muscle control is true. And if it's all the way down, well, of course, we all know that's just, look, too low. So, you know, it just won't, I don't even look right. All right. So you always want to make sure you find your good spot first. And once you find that good spot, you stay in it. It works there. It's effective. I can't say this enough. When you're working out, please do not rush the motions. Time under tension does matter. Allow it to work. Just like that. Nice flow. None of this stuff. I mean, you're getting something, but trust me, slow it down. It's better. Effective. Hey, tap in if you want to get healthy. Let's go.